Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Unbox It. Let's unbox everything in this world. Hope all of you are doing great in life. And today I am again with this parcel from the brand Oriflame Sweden. So आइए चलिए देखते हैं इसमें क्या क्या है. Let's unbox it. So सबसे पहले है मेरे पास ये बिल from Oriflame. The wrapping and loads of lip colors and loads of catalogs. That's it. बहुत सारी The One की लिपस्टिक्स हैं और बहुत सारी catalogs हैं जो मंथ ऑफ मे की हैं. These are set of 5 catalogs. अब ये है मेरे पास लिपस्टिक्स from the brand The One. Obsession color lipstick, semi matte लिपस्टिक्स हैं. Peach Passion को Magenta Mania, Nude Appeal, Red Rage. So basically 4 shades only I am going to unbox. कुछ shades की multiple packaging मैंने order कर दी है. So total I ordered 10 lipsticks, जिसमें से 4 different colors है. तो let's see, let's unbox these colors and swatch these colors for you. So सबसे पहले चलते हैं Magenta Mania की तरफ. How does this color look? So beautiful packaging, beautiful lipstick. That's how Magenta Mania looks. Beautiful color, beautifully pigmented and nicely done. That's the color Magenta Mania. Very beautiful pink color it is. One glide में बहुत अच्छा है, second glide में और strong हो जाएगा, but it's a very beautiful pink color. Next I have my favorite Nude Appeal. That's how the color Nude Appeal looks, little tangy and orange, but trust me, this is my second purchase of this color. It's a beautiful color and to live for. Very light and pigmented, little on the orangish kind, but I love the shade. I just love this shade. I'll swatch Pink Mania also here, right here for you. Now this is the color Red Rage. I am already in love with the kind of packaging these lipsticks have. So this is the color Red Rage. Beautiful red color, and in a single stroke it comes out to be so beautiful. And at last I have this color Peach Passion, which is a color to die for, literally a color to die for. So that's how Peach Passion looks. This is a single swatch of Peach Passion. Beautiful peachy color with a red tint, very beautiful color. So that's all from this video. These are the 4 shades: Nude Appeal, Magenta Mania, Red Rage, and at last Peach Passion. So thank you. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Do like, share, subscribe and comment. Thank you for watching.